skin depending on what type of skin we have. So basically right now we live in a city and it's like getting really populated. So as the population increases, the pollution levels are increasing a lot. So to prevent the harmful effects of the pollution, we need to use the right kind of products. And I'm really happy that Body Shop has, like one of my most favorite brands, has come out with a wonderful cleanser and a nourisher for the skin. So what exactly does pollution do on our skin? It stimulates, it's basically a lot of free radicals that get formed. So we need to use a good antioxidant to prevent all the damage that all these harmful effects of the pollution does on our skin. So it causes like unwanted pigmentation, it could lead on to pimples. The pollution goes and clogs the pores of our skin. It could cause pimples and inflammation, premature aging. So the skin starts developing wrinkles and all much faster. So it is very, very essential to use the right kind of cleansers. So the skin routine should consist of a very good cleanser. So that is what Body Shop has come out with a wonderful carrot range of cleanser, which is rich in antioxidant called beta-carotene. So beta-carotene is one of the most powerful antioxidants which repairs all the damage that happens in our skin. So a cleanser should ideally remove all the excess oiliness and dirt, unclog the pores without drying the skin, and that is what this face wash does. So it cleanses the skin, and immediately after washing our face we need to use a good moisturizer within 3 minutes. So immediately if this carrot cream is applied on our skin, it would nourish our skin better, after which we need to use a good sunscreen. Any climate or any weather condition requires a good sunscreen, because the ultraviolet rays could be really harmful on our skin, and it needs to be applied even when it is raining or even when it's cold. So Body Shop has a really good sunscreen as well. So this should be our routine in the morning, and at night we need to apply like antioxidants on our skin that would maybe we could apply something with more hydration, and like vitamin C is excellent to be applied at night, because it will get absorbed really well when we're sleeping. So healthy skin is not only like using all these nice products. Along with that, we need to have plenty of good sleep. Going early to bed is really important, as well as a healthy diet. If we could also consume a lot of carrots, it's like really amazing for our skin because of the beta-carotene. So fruits, all these orange colored fruits and vegetables contain a lot of beta-carotene that are really good for the body. So make sure we consume a lot of bright colored fruits and vegetables, as well as drink plenty of water to have extremely healthy and glowing skin. Thank you.
Ari, what am I?